guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Have you ever wondered what is the easiest way to clean your old dirty Apple wristbands? As you can see right here, there's a clear difference between this part right here that was not exposed and this one small here, and this part right here that was exposed to the air, dust and all other outside elements. Now you can try to clean this wristband using soap or some other kinds of cleaning pastas, but the most effective way, believe it or not, to clean these bands are using a simple nail polish remover. Once again, I will steal something for my wife. I hope she will not notice it. How to apply it? It's pretty straightforward. Just take one of these cotton swabs, dip it in there and just wipe your wristband like this. As you can see right here, it's already cleaning this wristband. Okay, one wristband is done, and you can see by these cotton swabs, these wristbands were pretty dirty. So another one to go and we are done. You can also use a piece of toilet paper or some kind of cloth to make this process faster if you need to. But as you can see, this is cleaning my wristbands pretty nicely. And that is all that you need to do. No special gimmicks right here, just one very effective tool that will help your wristband look like a brand new one. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Shiny eyes before. Shiny eyes before. Bleh. Oh my god, my English is so bad. Boom.